Welcome to your calm moment. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. As you breathe, look around you. What's one thing that makes you smile right now? Maybe sunlight through the window? The smell of breakfast? Or someone you love? Gratitude starts small. It's the tiny moments that whisper, "I'm lucky to be here." Take another slow breath. Think of one thing you're thankful for today and hold it in your heart for a moment. When you're ready, exhale. Let your body soften, your thoughts slow, and your heart feel warm. You can carry this feeling all day long, like sunlight in your pocket.